What's happening? Cameron Tradukian here with the Daily Developer Show, the show where we talk every single day about how you can become a better developer and how to optimize your lifestyle as a developer. Now, as you can see, I'm pretty jazzed up today. Not really. I'm on the brink of death. Well, not really. The situation is I just spent maybe hour and a half, hour and 45 minutes, hour and 50 minutes on a single algorithm, banging my head against the wall, and I got really close to solving it. I actually finished 12. I passed, it's on HackerRank, so they have these different user tests to see if your algorithm outputs what it should output, and I passed 12 of the 13 tests after about 40 or 45 minutes. And then I worked for another 45 or 50 minutes, and I actually couldn't pass the last test. And in fact, I actually broke my solution more than I improved or refactored upon it, more than I improved it. So at the end, I just felt like boom, 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 just like I was banging my head against the wall. I just couldn't think of what to do. I felt like I tried everything already. And I've had this happen before, and then what would later happen is that I would rest, maybe I would sleep on it, or I would go exercise, I would go eat something, and then I would come back, and then I would solve the problem within 10 minutes, maybe sometimes even 5 minutes. Now that doesn't always happen, right? Sometimes there's just a problem that's just beyond your comprehension, beyond your current abilities, or you're just not going to get it. But a lot of the time I found if you just step away, you'll be able to come back and finish the problem. So that's my advice for you. If you're feeling stuck, yes, it's good to be persistent, and be persistent to an extent. Don't give up after 10 minutes. But if you've been banging your head against the wall on something for an hour, hour and a half, 2 hours, 3 hours, and you're not making any progress, well, I'm not saying that you have to give up on it for the day. I'm not saying, listen, if it's an important deadline, I'm not saying just don't hit the deadline, but I'm saying step away from your computer, even if it's for 10 minutes. Walk around your house. Go shoot a couple shots on your basketball hoop. Go talk to somebody in your family. Play with your kids for 5 or 10 minutes. Play with a little brother or sister for 5 or 10 minutes. And then come back and try to solve the problem again. And while that's not always going to work, it's worth a shot. Especially if you've just been banging your head against the wall. So remember, this is the Daily Developer Show. We do this every single day. So I hope you'll join me. I hope you'll join me into tomorrow's episode. This is not the Daily Developer Show now, this is like the rap show. I hope you join me now for the next episode of the Daily Developer Show, so please subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow, my friend. Peace.